Welcome to Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. And in this guitar lesson, I'm going to show you how to play These Boots Were Made for Walking. And that's coming up. Great tune by Nancy Sinatra, the oldest daughter of Frank Sinatra. Who knew I'd ever be showing you a guitar lesson on a Nancy Sinatra song? But when I got up this morning, I heard this song on YouTube, and then I grabbed my guitar and just figured out the giant walk up, and I figured I have to do a guitar lesson on this because it's so easy to play and fun too. Let me show you the parts of the song. It starts on with a giant walk up to E. Don't worry, I've got the tab for you on my Patreon page. So let me show you how to play, and then we'll go to the E. So to do that, we start on the 7th fret. You could always do this. Then it goes to the E, and you could strum it. I like to put the bass line in it. Pick the E string and then strum down 2 times. You play the E chord for 3 bars, so this is 1 bar. Four beats in a bar. So we're going to play the E chord for 3 bars, and then we go to the A. And when we're playing the A, pick the A string and strum down twice. So you're playing 1 bar of A. Then it goes back to the E, but let me show you if you find that this is too hard. You could always just strum the chord. If you're going to do that, it would be down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Going back to E after we've played a bar of the A chord. You're going to play a bar of the E chord. After a bar of the E, it goes to These Boots Were Made for Walking. It's G, and then back to E. G, E, and then G, and then after that just pick the open E string, and then karate chop the string so it mutes the string. So it's these boots were made for walking. and then it's back to and then a bar V. The outro is E. If you like this kind of lesson, can you give it a thumbs up? Click that like button, please. And check over on my Patreon page. I'd love to have you as a patron. And we've got lots of goodies over there. Check it out.